Good morning guys. Oh, there's a plane. Ayan, guys. Okay. Hello everyone. Daming snow guys. Magsha-shovel na naman ako guys. Pero before that, try natin pandarin tong guys, yung motor ko kung andar pa guys. So yeah, record siya. It's recording. Okay, let's go. Try to start. Okay, tignan natin guys kung andar pa yung motor ko guys. Kasi simula nung October guys, nung October, mag-start na yung snow. Hindi ko na pinandar yung motor ko guys. Kaya tingnan natin kung andar ba guys. Let's see. Okay, where's the key? So now it's recording. Hi. Hello vlog. How are you? There you go. Let's see if mag-start pa to guys, kasi matagal lang hindi na paandar. Almost October, November, December. It's been 3 months na guys. Okay. Hello Harley, Happy New Year. Sana summer na para makapag-ride ulit. Ang dami naman. Ay, sana umandar ka ha. Okay. Wala kasi akong Tikal charger battery. Pero we'll see. Where's the key? Okay. Uy, mali. Saan yung susi niya? There you go. Let's start it. Start it. Oh, Toyota. Mali. Yung Harley. Where's Harley? Okay, where's my key? Here. Paano ba to? Oh, there you go. Ayun. So, 22,762 na para siya. Okay, start natin guys. Start. One click. On, off. On, off. There you go. Yo!